Howdy y'all, welcome back to Maverick Mods. This week, not really any car repair content, but got some shop equipment upgrade content that's going to make my life a whole lot easier. Let's get started. Alright guys and dolls, you'll kind of notice the Firebird is not in the Firebird spot. We moved the Firebird over to its new temporary spot. Why did I do that? Well, the one thing in the shop that has really been necessary, but I just hadn't been able to do it, to swing it yet, decided, what the heck, it's time to do it. We're putting in a lift. Okay, now I got to figure out, I got the wiring hooked up, I got it full of hydraulic fluid. How do I make it go up? Guess I ought to read the instructions, even though they're not very good instructions. That didn't help me at all. Power unit priming procedure. Power unit runs, oh wait, what is this? Didn't have to worry about that. Okay, that was absolutely worthless. That didn't help me at all. Except that, I think I need to raise these guys up. It said 30 inches. Let me find my tape measure. Well, let's try this. Let me make sure that's right. These things are supposed to be within 1/4 of an inch of each other. So that's 29 3/4. That's 29 1/4. So I think I need to raise that one. Alright, I gotta work on this. I'm doing the initial adjusting on the lift cables here, and for some reason I had it stuck in my head that I needed to bleed the hydraulics. Guys, up until this point, my knowledge of hydraulics has pretty much been limited to turning the hydraulic pumps on and off on a 757. So I'm about to make a tactical error here. See, before I go too all fired crazy, let's see where all that hydraulic fluid goes. Yeah, I think I overfilled it just a little bit. See if I can find my little sucker. Alright. So things might actually be 99 cents at the dollar store. Actually comes in really handy. More than you'd think in the shop. Alright, so let's keep working at it here. A little bit more. My mistake was in thinking that I would need to fill all of the hydraulic lines and the hydraulic cylinders, and it was going to take quite a bit to do that. It didn't really dawn on me that with the cylinders being all the way down, they basically didn't need any fluid, and the volume in the lines is really kind of, for the reservoir here, really isn't that much. So that was my mistake. If I ever have to do another one of these, I'll know. Alright, that should be good. Just gonna let that drain for a while. Clean up my mess. Check for leaks. I don't see any. That's always good. Alright. Let's try another test. Cables feel pretty good. See, this thing's supposed to go to 6 feet, I believe. That's it. All right. So let's pull the locks. Bring it back down. Much better. All right, before I declare this lift operational, I'm going to recheck the torque on all the bolts at the base. And then I'll do a couple of test lifts on the shop truck. A little bit at a time, but we have a lift. All right, time for the acid test. Got my own personal vehicle on the lift. If I screwed anything up, I only wrecked my own stuff. All right, we did all the testing on the shop truck. A lot of adjusting later. Finally got everything a little bit closer. Good enough that we can actually test the important thing. So here we go, giving it a try. I call that a success. That's going to do it for this week. Got a nice little upgrade for the shop that's going to make my life a whole heck of a lot easier and make a lot of the work to be done on both the Firebird and the Chevy pickup and future projects a whole heck of a lot easier. Certainly appreciate everybody watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Certainly does help me out. We'll see you guys next week with more closer to automotive related content. Everybody, have a great day.